Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to set the gestures or three buttons navigation. So first of all we have to open the settings. Right there, let's scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Now on the second option we've got System Navigation, so let's tap. And here we've got two different options. So obviously, if you've got the gestures set, simply tap on buttons in order to set 3-button navigation. Here we've got the button layout. So if you wish, you can reorder the back button and the recent just by choosing the option which you like. Here we've got also others, so circle to search and digital assistant from Google. It's up to you whether you wish to use it or not, completely up to you. So this is how to use the buttons. Obviously this one is responsible for getting to the previous page, this one directly to the home page, and the 3 bars icon to open the recents. This is how it works. If you wish to set the gestures, simply tap on gestures here. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to go through the tutorial, and I highly recommend to do that actually. I don't want to do it, moreover I will explain it in a second, so you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. If you wish, you can hide the gesture bar. However, at the same time, you'll have to remove a circle to search. So this is the option where you can tap on it and hold it, and then you can circle something which is interesting and search for it. So it's up to you whether you use this option or not. I will hide it. So let me hide. Here you can decide whether you want to feel the vibration on the back navigation, mistouch prevention, so full screen game only or off, so your device will require 2 swipes to take effect, so you will have to double your gesture. You can learn the gesture, so go through the tutorial whenever you like to. Sensitivity to back gesture. To be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It depends whether you're playing games, whether you're using the case for your device. So as I said, it's better to come back there. Circle to search again, digital assistant, and swipe animation, so you can show an animation when you swipe to go back. And this is a beta version, so it is only available with certain apps. So if you want to, you can turn it on to actually check how it will work. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you've got a lot of apps opened and you'd like to quickly come back to the previous one, all you have to do is to swipe your finger at the bottom of this of the screen. You can swipe from left to right or from right to left, just like that. And as you can see, I've immediately came back to my previous app, and you can do it again and again and again, and you can do it to the right also. However, for some reason it doesn't work. Okay, now it works. If you wish to come back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. You can do it from the left or from the right. If you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and this is how to go back. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. If you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, so just elongate the gesture like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.